Hi there! In this video, I want to show you how to use fitness app without any Apple Watch on iPhone. Firstly, make sure to set up fitness app. So go ahead and find fitness. Here, make sure to sign in your Apple account and to fulfill details about your health as well as about yourself. So just enter date of birth, sex, height, weight. Then you can also add a pregnancy if needed and tap down to save changes. Now the next step is to go in settings, find privacy and security section. Then scroll a bit down and here find the section which is named fitness, tracking, motion, and fitness, something like that. And yep, here it is, motion and fitness. So, make sure that fitness tracking is turned on, so the switch is green, and that health app is turned on as well, so that fitness activity data will be able to appear in that app. And now all is left is to open health app. Not fitness, but health first. Tap on Browse section on the bottom and search for the workouts. Now you will see this ability to add data manually, so click here and fulfill those fields. So we need to enter activity type first. For example, let's leave running, but you can tap here and switch to something else. Also, we can manually enter calories burned as well as distance we made. Now, after that, you can here enter when your workout was started and as well as when it ends. Tap Add and immediately in your fitness app, this information will appear. So you will see this banner on the top of the screen. You can tap it to access your fitness app. And if you go back, you will see this type of activity in fitness. Let me just refresh the app. And yep, as you can see, we have here outdoor run, distance, which I selected, here calories burned, steps, and so on. So that is how you can use fitness app without any Apple Watch. And that's it for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.